agriculture technology is going to witness booming times in the next 5 years. If you go by a report put up by a consulting firm Ernst & Young, by 2025, agriculture technology agriculture technology services sector is going to be valued about $24 billion worth in the next 5 years. And this optimism comes on the back of the supply chain problems and also financial services linkages to the needy farmers. So there is a technology gap in making the supply chain handicaps and also the financial services flow to the desired market. So there are several startups which are working in bridging the gap in the supply chain area and also in the financial services and the agriculture financial services sector as such. So therefore, Ernst & Young very optimistically put up that the supply chain problems and the linkages with the output markets is going to be a $12 billion worth market by 2025. And next comes the financial services. The financial services is about $4 billion. And we have also got certain other emerging areas in the agriculture technology space, like the supplying of farm inputs, which is going to be about a $1.7 billion opportunity by 2025, and the market for precision agriculture and farm management growing to be around $3.4 billion in the next 5 years. So these are all very big numbers, very promising numbers, and they hold a lot of hope for agri-tech companies. Most of these agri-tech companies are the startups that have come up in the past 4 to 5 years, and they have penetrated deeply into the market, and now they are operating at a very vital place in the system as such. Now, a lot of global investing firms like the Carlyle and the Goldman Sachs, all these, the Pluri, 2C Capital, all these companies have pumped in a lot of money into these agri-tech startups. Most of them are now operating out of Bangalore, Pune, and also New Delhi. So these startup companies are going to see a booming time in the agricultural tech services in the next 5 years. That's what the Ernst & Young report projects. And there is also going to be a lot of consolidation being happening in these startup companies, because the companies which want to what we call merge for getting the synergies of the business are now planning to forcing these promoters to go for acquisitions, to go for mergers, and to make them viable as far as a corporate entity is concerned. So this field, this sector is going to witness a booming time in the next couple of years, and agriculture technology sector is the in thing for investors to look for. And it's surprising to note that out of the projected opportunity of $24 billion by 2025, the current share of the startups in this agri-tech business is just less than 1%. It's not even about $200 million per year. So there's a lot of scope, lots of elasticity is there for the investors who stay put in agri startups, and it's going to what we call reap. It's going to give them a great opportunity to earn decent returns on their investments in the agri-tech companies. So by and large, it is the agri-tech sector that has now become fancy for the global investors. Keep a watch on it. Keep a watch on it.